Wildlife, written by David Regal, and the storyboards are by Howie Perry. Dillydale Magazine is expecting pictures of birds, and more birds. And so far, all we have is a picture of your rear end. I would have been on the way if I knew you were taking a picture. We need to be taking pictures of birds. Where could they be? Maybe if you didn't make so much noise. That's it. My patience is run out. Time for my secret weapon, and that would be my finicky flamingo panpipe. Do you really think that? Whoa. Hold the pose. It's a great shot. Say cheese. One more. You weren't smiling. I also promised the magazine a picture of the Great Cape Buffalo. Really? I mean, they're really big. You sure the magazine would be just as happy with a picture of a gerbil? No deal. If it's a buffalo they want, it's a buffalo they'll get. Time for my other secret weapon. Oh no, my two-toned bamboo buffalo bagpipe. Oh well, too bad. Doesn't work. Another great shot. Say cheese. I can't. I was talking to the buffalo. And now to get a picture of the rare great white alligator. Alligator, you didn't say we're looking for an alligator. Not just any alligator, the great white alligator. It looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon. Oh boy. An all aluminum alligator whistle. Mr. Noisy. Mr. Noisy. Mr. Noisy. Oh, poopity poo. Well, I don't think we're going to be seeing any alligators today, Mr. Bump. No boy, that's Burpoop's cat. Is this your custom Mr. Med book? Yes. This is custom I made. I made this. It is... Wait a minute. Something has exploded. Someone made this. A sneezing face made this. What does this old stuff like Punch commercials? I already done library. And where can they end? I think it's some egads. I'd like a piece of... Oops. Who does this old spew content? Hold on. Did you make the Kahoot of the Mr. Mencho adventure? You have to read that. Thomas. Look inside. Reading is funny. Hold on.
If you like case I am able to buy a Miss Helpful toy with her folks so need a invest that it costs $10.